Tia. I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, and today I am going to demonstrate a technique that some of you may be in need of. And yeah, so before we get into what I'm planning to do, this is Miss Vivica A. Fox's Lenora. There should be a review up on her. If not, let me know. This is the eye look. I did film how I got this eye look, and it's with the Revolution Beauty Corpse Bride. So that should already be up for you as well. So today I am going to show you how to take the combs out of your wig. For some people, either they don't like the combs, or if you don't have hair, you don't have use for the combs, or sometimes the combs can be pretty uncomfortable. This is a wig that I customized for someone, a client, and she does not want the combs in. So I was about to take the combs out and I thought, look, I've never done a video on taking the combs out. Let me do that. This is Harlem 125's, oh, I don't know, they only have numbers. It was a wig that I had customized and the person really enjoyed it, so they wanted me to do that in a different color for them. And so I will link that above so that you can see what I did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this inside out, and then you see we have 2 combs in the front and then a comb in the back. So the easiest way is either to take scissors or a seam ripper. Now some combs are attached differently, so this is just for this one. If you can see, there is a seam right there. It's just sort of sewn on. So I'm going to take my scissors that I use to cut my lace, which is cuticle scissors, and I'm just going to go in and I'm going to cut all of these stitches, just like you would if you were, taking apart something you were going to sew. My mom is a seamstress, so not like for a job, but she grew up in a household with 12 kids and Depression-era parents, so you did a lot of your own sewing and doing what you needed to do. So I'm just going to go through and cut all of these stitches, and then I'll come back. Okay, I just want to add, so I did clip all of the stitches along here, but I also need to go up under and clip the stitches that sit between the base of this comb and the back of the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay, so I wanted to show you, because now that I clipped all the ones on the top and I started to clip these ones on the bottom, it's already coming up, as you can see, and the actual clip is coming out of this sort of band piece in the bottom. So it should be fairly easy. A couple more clips and this will just come off. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the front clips. You can see this clip is completely out with the band, and now you can see that it's gone. The other thing is, like, sometimes where they have these like bra strappy straps, the clip is sitting over top of them, so like you can't go in further. So this, taking the clip out on some of them can really, or the comb can really help if you need to make this wig smaller and you need it to go further in than where the comb is. That is an option too. The ones in the front are, you can see, are smaller. Okay, they're about half the size-ish. So I'm going to go ahead and take off the 2 front ones with the same technique, cutting the stitches on the front and then pulling it back and cutting the stitches on the bottom. And when I get them both off, then I'll come back. So I was easily able to get the 2 combs out, okay? And now you can see there are no combs. There's no holes, no nothing. So if you just concentrate on those stitches, then it's all good. So that is what I have for you for this quick little tutorial. If you like these types of videos, if there's another quick little tutorial that you would like to see, check out my wig tips and my Wig 101 playlist, because I have done a lot of these types of videos. I will link them down below. But if there's something in there you want to see that you haven't, go ahead and request that in the comments section. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you know someone that may want to use it, go ahead and share it. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.